Welcome happy flowers to my channel. Today I made a beautiful flower arrangement to keep at the entrance of the house. This is a two-tier arrangement and you need a pedestal stand like this for this. In this video I am going to share with you how I am making this arrangement. You need a soaked floral foam. I have fixed the floral foam at the bottom level and making an arrangement with some leaves and flowers, and then I will make another arrangement and keep it at the top. After fixing the floral foam, make a circular flower arrangement at the bottom. You can use any leaf and any flower of your choice. Once you finish arranging the flowers at the bottom, you can arrange flowers at the top. I'm making the top arrangement in a separate container and I'm going to fix it in the stand. You can also fix the floral foam straight away in the stand and arrange the flowers. The flowers are arranged in circular shape only, and you have to leave some space at the center. You can decorate the center in whatever way you can. I have kept two roses and I tried some candles also. The choice is yours. You can keep anything and decorate your flower arrangement. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.